A 9.2.6. So basically this task is related to the mooring winches, operation part and the maintenance part. So we have a normally all the winches have this type of lever, all the mooring winches and windlass. So you have to, for heaving up and slack, for slack you have to pull the lever like this. For heaving up you have to pull the lever like this. Okay, use this lever in a controlled manner and the drum will start slacking and heaving up. Okay, so this is the first part. The second part is checking the bolt clearance before brake lining. So this is the brake lining. Okay, this is the brake lining and you have to measure the thickness. Okay, because this is the brake band, this is the brake lining. Normally the brake lining slowly after many use it got deteriorated, it got thinned out. So this you have to measure with the vernier caliper this thickness of the brake lining, and then you have to compare with the manufacturer manual. You have to compare with the manufacturer manual. For example, if the manufacturer manual says 7 mm and it is 6 mm, then you have to change the brake lining. So it should fall under the minimum manufacturer recommendation. The second thing they have mentioned in the task is check the bolt clearance. I will show you where is the bolt clearance, what bolt is talking about. So you see the bolt. Okay, so this is the bolt. Okay, so there should be a bolt clearance, otherwise while heaving up or slacking this will start vibrating too much and it will go in an uncontrolled manner also. So this is a support. So there should also be a gap between this bolt. Okay, so the clearance of what bolt clearance is required, it is mentioned in your manufacturer manual. Go and see the what all recommendation is given on the winch manufacturer manual for the bolt clearance and for the brake band. Okay, so you have to adjust the bolt clearance as per the manufacturer manual and you are good to go. So I hope this video helpful for you to know how to check the thickness of the brake band, how to check the bolt clearance and where the bolt clearance is located. Okay, normally where is the brake band of the winches, just below that the bolt clearance is the bolt is mentioned and